This is New Day Northwest. Now, here's Margaret Larson.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to New Day Northwest. Starting things off today, we're getting organized. Most of us can relate to having a mess in our house, our office, or our car at one time or another. Today, we find out how to start on messes from small to huge. Get some momentum going. Please help me welcome Cami Lisenby from the Organizing Experts. Good to meet you. Hi. This is right up my alley, and as you know, our building is moving right now, so organization is top of mind. What do you think we do wrong that creates clutter to begin with, and how do we need to change our mindset?
Not necessarily that you're doing anything wrong. It's day-to-day life is crazy. I mean, especially busy women on the go, it's dump and go to the next thing. And
yes,
if you have children,
I know about the dump and go.
Exactly. It's just a part of life. And so to just have a few moments to sit down and tackle it is really the key, essentially.
But I hear forgive ourselves a little bit. Messes happen, then we go about cleaning them up.
Absolutely.
What's the best way to think about getting started?
Getting started. So my favorite tip is to dedicate some time. You know, start with an hour. An hour is a good chunk of time, that power hour. You know, you can get a lot done. So
Yes.
an hour to 3 hours, just give yourself some dedicated time. I like to have no distractions, so if you can have somebody watch the children, you know, just give yourself that free time, and then also blast the music. I think that is huge.
Yeah, it helps. Make it like an aerobics class.
Yeah, just power through it.
And if you do it, I mean, at least for me, one of the obstacles is you've got a big mess and you think, okay, I'm going to wait till I have time to get this all squared away, and then I never start.
Right.
So it doesn't matter how long it takes us to finish, as long as we just start going an hour at a time.
If you can do an hour a day and just tackle one project top to bottom, so if the countertop's a disaster pants, just scoop it up and put big category items. So if you have a lot of paperwork, paperwork's in one category. If you have homework, homework's in one category for the kids. If you have kitchen items, quickly do the dishes in that real quick and put them away. And just doing those simple things will clean up the space very quickly. And then when you have more time, you can revamp your systems, but don't get caught in the big picture of getting organized. It's the little things we do every day.
Okay, that makes sense to me. Let's take a look at some before and after photos. Were these all your projects?
So these are all projects that we do with the Organizing Experts, and our team of either 1, 2, or 3 girls will come for a day to help you get organized. And this is in one 6-hour session. This is a before and after photo. So this happens in one day.
What did you do here? The top, it looks very familiar.
So this is somebody that probably just moved in. They needed kind of an office library area. They had some basic foundation pieces, and then we helped them unpack. So we went box by box, broke them down, took out any garbage, recycle, hauled away any donation items for them as well during that session, and then just tidied up from there. I don't think we actually took anything downsizing wise from this room. They didn't donate a lot, I don't believe. It was just about really tidying up the space and making it functional.
Which feels so much better. Let's take a look at a family room.
Yes, so this is a fun one. I love these. So we organize for impact. So in one day, I want to give you a room back. So here you can see, you can't see a couch. You can't see the TV in the the before photo. The after photo, you have a brand new family room where you can entertain in. And so that day, you know, she may have been living with that clutter for a while. And in one day, we were able to give this room back to her.
And did you throw things away, or what happened that made the transformation? Because that's a great looking couch. I'm glad we can see it again.
So in this room, you start with the floor. So you can't walk on the floor, right? So we want to get everything up and off the floor. And then again, large categories. So if it's obvious garbage, recycle, that comes out of the room first. And then you see a tote box and a laundry basket. Those items don't necessarily belong in that room. So it's just a matter of making those big categories to make that big impact.
Okay, big categories. The kitchen.
Yes. Oh, yes, we see this a lot.
You remember this.
So this is a great example of everyday life. This is normal. And you're like, well, not normal for me. Well, for some people, and they usually just kind of scoop it, and then you come over to this beautiful space. So people are really good about being tricky with hiding their clutter.
True.
In this example, it's really about starting from one corner of the kitchen and working your way to the other corner of the kitchen. So you start at the end of the island and work your way towards the sink, and then clockwise towards the other end of the kitchen. Doing the dishes and getting rid of garbage. Maybe there's some mail in there. You need a mail system when you first come into the kitchen area. So it's all about just starting in one small space, finishing it top to bottom, work your way around the countertop in this area. That photo was probably a before and after in about an hour or two.
Really?
Yes.
So not a big deal, just needed concentration.
Exactly.
Okay, a closet. Let's take a look at a closet.
These are my favorite. Okay.
Everybody
So-
wants that organized closet. It's so hard to come by.
Well, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. These are really simple, easy fixes. So we went through and she pared down her shoes, which you can see on the bottom right there. We didn't need to purchase a storage solution for that. We just tidied up this space. This is a great example of using what you have. So we can build a custom closet system for you. However, this is using her existing material, and all we did was tidy it up, organize it, put new hangers in so that it's very uniformed. Those slim hangers give you much more space in your closet. And then the baskets there, just tidied up, you know, workout clothes, maybe undergarments, things that were kind of spilling out before are now contained with some really nice baskets.
So does your mess give you kind of a clue to what you need to do? Like if your mail is everywhere, then
You need a mail
conclude
system.
You need a mail
That's
system,
right.
that kind of thing.
Yeah.
That could be one way to look at this. How did you get so good at organizing?
Well, I actually stumbled upon it. I very quickly, professionally and promptly left my job on my lunch break, and I was thinking, I need something more fulfilling to do with my life. What do I do? And I was having my power hour, watching Oprah Winfrey in 2008 when she was doing the Live Your Best Life series, and I saw Peter Walsh. And I discovered his Clean Sweep show and how he would go in and transform these homes in, you know, a couple weeks with a huge team.
Right.
And the joy it brought to people, they were crying and sobbing. It was this life-changing event. And I thought to myself, how do I do this here at home? How do I do this in Seattle, person to person, make a really big difference? And that's my life, and I love it. I get hugs at the end of the day. People love me. They're doing things they never thought would happen before in their own home. You know, most people don't have friends and family over because they're embarrassed of a certain space.
Right. Or
So
we keep certain doors closed because that's where all the mess
closed
went.
door room. That's a whole thing. Yes.
I think I'm guilty of that. No, I can only imagine how good people feel. Getting rid of the clutter is just, you know, takes a burden off you. Well, that's a very good idea. Just start with, you know, the big things, work our way down, and I like the power hour.
That's
Thank
right.
you so much for being with us. Up next, looking for natural, healthy ways to stay on track with your New Year's resolutions? Weber Naturals is here with suggestions when New Day returns.